Welcome to iPacky. In this video we will demonstrate how to use order check rules in iPacky. Select Order Check Rules. This is a very powerful feature. You can add products to the order in iPacky, or show a message, based on order tags, or products already on the order. Please note that the product will not be added on the order in Shopify, just in iPacky. We want to add a product if the order has a VIP tag. Select the action. Select Add SKU. This means that we want to add a product by SKU on the order in iPacky. Adjust quantity if necessary. In this case we only want to add one of this product. Type in the SKU of the product that will be added. The product must exist in Shopify. The rule is now added. The rule is now added. Now we will add a rule based on the existence of a product on an order. Type in the SKU of a product on an order that needs to match. Enter the quantity. For SKU type rules, 0 means the same quantity as the order line with the SKU referenced in match. Bigger than 1 means a fixed quantity, like 2 in this example. Less than 0 means multiplies the quantity of the order line with the SKU referenced. For example, if the order line with the SKU referenced in match has a quantity of 3, and the quantity specified here is -2, it will be 3 times 2 equals 6 items added. Type the SKU of the product we want to add. This product must exist in Shopify. The rule is now added. If on an order there is a product with the SKU 546636, 2 items with SKU 646646 will be added in iPacky. Click to delete the rule. Click on the Save button. Here you can see the effect of an order check rule on an order. Since this order has the tag new, a welcome letter product is added. The same will happen in the picking list. The order check rules, as you can see, is a very powerful feature. However, please take into account the following facts. The products are not added to the order in Shopify, but only in order check and picking lists in iPacky. The inventory of the added products are not adjusted in Shopify. This means that it's best suited for immaterial products like letters, manuals, recipes or marketing material. Useful tip: iPacky can put a tag on orders from new customers. Do it in iPacky Dashboard Settings, Advanced Order Tags for New Customer. Thank you for watching this iPacky video. For more details, read in the help system, or watch videos when they become available on iPacky.com or on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Start packing error-free today.